In this video, we'll be looking at how to use ChatGPT, Google Bard for YouTube SEO. Okay, now when you talk about YouTube SEO, one thing you need to understand is the title of your video, then the description of your video, and the tags of your video. Then fourthly, you need to have a catchy thumbnail. But for this, we are going to use ChatGPT and Google Bard to achieve three. Now, ChatGPT and Google Bard, they are not graphic designing AI tools, okay? They are simply question and answer AI tools, okay? They can give you possible best result on any question you ask them, okay? So we're going to use ChatGPT to create a better YouTube title for my video, use it to create a description, okay, and also use it to get tags for this video. So how do we use ChatGPT and Google Bard for SEO? I'll be showing you how I do this. Now you can do this with your computer and you can do it with your phone. So I'm doing it for the benefit of those that don't have computer. I'm using my phone, but if you have a computer or a laptop, you can use your computer and laptop to do this. All right, so here I am on ChatGPT and this is my Google Bard. Okay, I opened them in two different tabs on my phone. All right, so this is my notepad. I'll be working with my notepad, okay, because I need to copy and paste. All right, so let's head over to Google Bard and let me type as a YouTube SEO expert. Write 3 video titles that will rank for a YouTube video teaching how to animate your e-flyer to talk using AI tools. Okay, so I will copy this as well. I will copy. Now remember, I described every necessary thing I need to. Okay, now this is the video I want to work with. All right, so this is the video I want to do the SEO. I want to do the SEO of this video using Google Bard and ChatGPT. Okay, and I will click on enter. So while this is loading, I will go to ChatGPT and I will type the same prompt and I will click on enter. Okay, can you see ChatGPT has given me 3 suggestions because I asked for 3. Let's check Google Bard. Can you see Google Bard gave me 3 suggestions too? Can you see? Now these suggestions here says how to animate your e-flyer to talk using AI powered e-flyer animation. Create talking flyers that engage your audience. Wow. Here says make your e-flyer talk with AI, a step-by-step tutorial. Can you see this? Now these titles are all clear, concise, informative. They also include relevant keywords such as, now this is Google Bard. Okay, Google Bard gives you extension. Can you see? Now let's look at ChatGPT. The same thing. It says animate your e-flyer to talk, step-by-step AI tutorial. So in this case, what I do is that I copy this. You can tap on this copy icon and copy it. Okay, then you come to your notepad. So I will write ChatGPT so that I will know. Okay, and I will paste. I will come down, write Google Bard. Okay, let me copy that of Google Bard too and paste. So this is what Google Bard gives us. Okay, Now if you want to copy, you can double click here, this icon, and click on copy. But because I don't want to copy all of this, okay, I don't want to copy all of this, I will just tap and hold, okay, and highlight and copy. For those of you using computer, you know how to copy with your computer, okay. You highlight and copy. So I will paste it here. So you can see now this is from Google Bard, this is from ChatGPT. All right, these are titles, okay. So you can see that there are similarities. There are similarities with these titles. So all you need to do is just pick one, okay. Pick one that suits you or you feel it is better for you, okay, then and use it. So if I'm going with Google Bard, I will choose the first one, okay. Now if I'm going with ChatGPT, I will likely choose the first one or the third one, okay. So at this point you make your choice, or you can make or use a combination of these titles, okay. So I'm going to use these, okay. I'm going to use this. I will copy. All right, so I have gotten the title I want. So now let's go and ask for a description, that they should write a video description, okay. Now remember that Google Bard gave you other tips, okay, and they even gave you some suggested keywords. All right, but ChatGPT just went straight to the point. So I'm going to say, okay, let's probe further before we get the description. Let's probe further. Now I'll say compare the titles above and show the one that is going to rank higher. Okay, let me copy this prompt. All right, copy, give the command. Let's go to this, give it the command too. Okay, so let's see what happens. Now can you see ChatGPT has compared all of them, and based on keyword relevance, search volume, competition, user intent, okay. ChatGPT said animate your e-flyer to talk step by step. AI tutorial seems to have slight advantage. Can you see? Now let's look at what this shows. Google Bard says it cannot have enough information about this. All right, let's rephrase this question for Google Bard, okay. And let's say, which of the titles above, which of the titles above is going to rank higher. Let's see. The same thing here says it can give you such information, okay. So now working with ChatGPT, I can decide to continue with this title, okay. The title I chose, okay, animate your flyer step-by-step guide. Now I'll just use how to animate your flyer, okay. So now next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to ask this AI to give me a description, a video description, okay. I'll say as a YouTube SEO expert, write a video description of, let me say, 100 words for this video title. Okay, and I will paste. All right, select or copy. This is ChatGPT. Okay, now let's go to Google Bard and paste the same thing. Okay, all right, let's see what ChatGPT has. Okay, ChatGPT has given us a video description. Can you see it here? All right, so all I will do is I will click on copy. Okay, I'll come to my notepad. I will say video description. Okay, video description. Okay, this is from ChatGPT. All right, I'll paste it. Okay, now let's check Google Bard. Can you see? Google Bard is not giving me anything. Okay, so let's go for keyword. All right, let's copy this and prompt. Copy. Let's paste it here. In this case, we are going to say, give me keywords, right? We need 20 keywords for the video that will rank, for the video title. Okay, let's paste it. Let's copy this as well and paste it on ChatGPT. Okay, okay, paste. Okay, you can see that it has given us 20 keyword titles. Okay, Google Bard has given us 20 keyword titles. Now let's paste the same thing on ChatGPT. Okay, I will paste it. Now enter. Okay, it has given us 20 keywords. Okay, and I will say write it without numbering and separate with a comma. Okay, let's copy this as well. So let's see. Can you see? Because I don't want to copy it like this and start adding the comma by myself. I just have to tell it to write it without numbering it and separate it with a comma. Okay, now let's give Google Bard the same instruction. Okay, let's see what happens. Can you see? Exactly the same thing. So at this point, I will copy my keyword. Okay, I will copy my keyword, come to my notepad and paste. Okay, keyword. Keyword can be called hashtag too. Okay, this is for Google Bard. Google Bard. Okay, I will paste it. Then for ChatGPT, okay, let's get it too. This is it. I will copy. I will copy it. I will copy and I will paste. Okay. Okay. Now, even if you want it to write it as a tag, you can say write it as a hashtag. Without adding comma. Okay. Can you see? Exactly. So even if you want the hashtag, you have it like this. At this point, for those of you that are into YouTube already, all you need to do is to add this hashtag or these tags to where necessary. Okay. The essence of this video is to show you how to generate your SEO with this AI tool called ChatGPT and Google Bard. Okay, so this is my video. I will simply edit. Okay, click on options, click on tags. So for those of you that are into YouTube video creation already, so with this, all you need to do is to add the necessary informations you have gotten to the right places. Okay, you can copy this video description, you can read it and edit it and add your own voice or edit some words. Okay, you copy your keywords, okay, and hashtags and put it where necessary. All right, you can edit your title, edit your description, edit your tags. Okay, add the tags here. So the essence of this video is to show you how to use ChatGPT to do your YouTube SEO. Okay, so with this, you have your tags, your hashtags, you have video description, you also have the titles you can work with. All right, so it's always advisable for you to read through and change some words. Okay, make it sound human. All right, so in terms of using AI results for your YouTube video, there is no much penalty for now. Okay, I've not heard of any penalty on it. Besides, it is just a title, okay, and the tags, which anybody can use these tags as well. So this is how you can use ChatGPT and Google Bard for YouTube SEO that covers both your keyword, video description, and video title. That of the thumbnail has to do with you. You have to create a catchy thumbnail.